welcome back to my channel. I just want to say thank you if you clicked on this video because you want to do a V-Day slay, or because you're nice and you want to get my views up, or because you want to see some fire makeup tips. Whatever the reason, thank you. So I'm Chanelle, and this is my channel. I create super cute, super fun makeup looks. For instance, today this is the V-Day Slay Part 2, or deux, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so I did another Valentine's Day tutorial. I'll put the link right here if you want to see it. It's actually, if you can believe it, it's more dramatic than this. I know you can't believe it. I know you can't. But it is actually more dramatic than this because it's a cut crease. I was like, let me do a simple look. Let me just do like a glitter wing and a red lip. And that'll be nice and simple. So this is my simple version. And then the nice little beauty queen ponytail for Valentine's Day in honor of V-Day. So first, make sure you press this button down here. Where is it? Here. It's a red button. It's called subscribe. You can subscribe to my channel before you leave. And yeah, make sure you stick around if you want to see how I got this look. Okay, so I just sped through my brows here. I'm using the Anastasia brow pencil, Brow Wiz in dark brown. And I'm just carving out my brows and kind of making a little base for my eyeshadow. And yeah, here we go. That's it. And we'll start the eyes now. So I'm going to go ahead and start my wing. I'm going to try to not talk so much because last time my video was so long. I think it was because I was, you know, blah, 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 too much. So I went back and forth about what I was going to do today. So I decided to try the glitter wing. So we'll see how it looks. I'm hopping into my Modern Renaissance from Anastasia. And I'm taking burnt orange, and I'm going to go ahead and put it all over my lid. So I'm going to use the NYX Liquid Suede. I'm actually using a lip liner. This is in Cherry Skies. I did swatch it like right here, so you can see what it looks like. So it's like a deep burgundy-ish kind of color. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw the outline of my wing. So for wings, I always start like on the end. And this one, I definitely want to go more up versus like out like this way. Okay. And just kind of draw it on. And you can use any like red or like, you know, cherry kind of burgundy-ish kind of color. I was thinking of using lips, like liquid lipstick, but I was like, well, I'm going to put the glitter glue, so I don't know how that would look, you know, so yeah, I was like, just went with lip liner, you know, just so I can have like something to stick to in case there's some patchy spots with the glitter glue and the glitter. And I'm actually using loose glitter, so pray for me, y'all. This is funny. So anytime you do this, you could just like get a makeup wipe and kind of clean it off. But I actually want it to go that high, like to the end of my brows, because with the glitter, I'm not gonna be able to like make it super sharp with the glitter. So the eyeliner can be pretty sharp over here. Alright, so next we're gonna attempt the glitter. Get excited. So I'm back. So what I'm gonna do is start with the glitter glue. So I always use my NYX glitter glue, glitter primer. And I just put a little tap on my hand here. I'll show you. I'll put like that much on. Really a dab will do ya. Some people use like clear lash glue, but I mean, that's not really my scene. So what I'm going to do is use this Real Techniques brush here, only because I've already destroyed it with glitter glue multiple times. That's like too much. I'm going to take some off. So I'm going to take this and basically draw along my wing. And I made sure they were as as even as I could see. I mean, I have super bad eyes, so I'm going to start from the inner corner and basically go out. Okay, so here I'm just dragging the glue along that line I made for the wing. And just remember, wherever you put the glitter glue, glitter is definitely going to stick. So you want to try to be careful and keep it contained to the red portions of the wing. So yeah, I was trying to be pretty neat here. Also while working quickly, because you don't want the glitter glue to dry before you apply the glitter. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Alright, we're going to take the glitter now. Okay, so I'm using my red J-Cat glitter. I love these glitters. They're called actually sparkling powders, and I get them for $3.49. And I have a bunch of different colors. So I just take my brush, and you can see it's kind of like a round, it's like flat but round kind of brush. And I just dip the glitter in. I put the glitter in the lid here. So I just dip my brush in there. And then I have glitter on top. Sorry if there's noise in the background, but you know what? It is what it is. So I'm starting here because I put the glitter here, the glue here first. So that part's probably going to dry quickest. And I'm just tapping the glitter on to your desired thickness or opaqueness. Yeah, so here we go. Here we go. Okay, so here I am just packing on the glitter over the red red lip liner that we put on the lid. And I'm just tapping it until I get like the desired glitteriness. So we'll take a look and see how it looks. Yo! That is so fierce. Oh my god. I'm so hype. This is everything. I look like a superhero. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is everything. Yo, this is everything. I'm gonna do the other side now. I'm gonna do the other side now. Yes, this is fabulous. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, sorry. I'm just a little shook. Just a little bit shook. So let me just do the other side quickly. Yeah. So here I'm just adding the NYX glitter glue again, or glitter primer, all over the wing, and I'm just tapping on the glitter here. This side was a little bit like not as neat as the first side. I think I had a little more glitter glue, but yeah, I'm just tapping it on to the desired glitteriness, and yeah, I think it came out awesome. Wow. Of course this one looks better, but Rome wasn't built in a day. Wow. This looks really, really good. How fabulous is this? Wow. I feel like a superhero. Alright. Okay, so I'm just going to clean up the fallout. I did have a little fallout, if you can see, like here, but not, honestly, it's like not that much. So I'm going to clean up my fallout, and then we're going to just do the bottom. Well, I'll do my face first, and then the bottom the bottom lashes. And then we'll put on lashes and then a red lip. Because my last Valentine's Day I did a nude lip, so I'm gonna do a red lip this time. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm not sure why this footage is blurry, but this is just me doing my face. So I'm using the Maybelline Superstay, the brand new 24-hour foundation in the shade 330 Toffee something. So yeah, this is just me doing my foundation. Okay, so I zoomed in again. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do for the bottom portion. So I've envisioned just like a smoky kind of bottom. So what I'm doing here is just taking my Makeup Geek black liner, but you can take any black liner, and I'm just lining my bottom waterline, and then we're going to smoke it out with a brown shadow. You can use any dark brown you have. This is my Juvia's palette, and I'm going to use this chocolate color here. And you want to really kind of dust off the brush, so just tap it off. You hardly want any product because there's already this black liner there. So I'm just taking the chocolate color and going over the liner and kind of underneath it and kind of smudging it out and smoking it out just to make it nice and smoky, because I want that smoky bottom line. And then I'm actually taking my setting powder and just dusting it away. I did use the Milani banana powder today instead of my regular Ben Nye, just because this is mostly like a drugstore type of tutorial. Everything in here is very, very affordable. So this is the brand new Milani banana powder. It's a little more yellow than I like. I feel like the Ben Nye banana powder kind of blends into my skin a little bit more, but this one's pretty good too, and I think it's only $9. So yeah, it was definitely worth a try. Oh, I'm so indecisive today. So I ended up going with deciding on Sunray. This is very gold, very pretty. So I'm actually going to just start highlighting with it. Okay, so this is just me highlighting. I do my cheekbones, the top of my cheekbones. I do my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bow, my chin, and just really dusting it on, glowing up today, because we're being real extra, because it's Valentine's Day, you know? So I'll do that with my big brush. Then I take a small, this has been my holy grail for precision highlighting. I don't know what kind of brush this is. It's Eco Tools. Oh, this is a lip brush. Eco Tools detailed lip brush. So I haven't used it for my lips, but I'll just take whatever highlighter I'm using, pick some up, and then I do the inner corner of my eyes. And I love this brush for this. So I'm actually, if you can see, going outside the glitter and the liner here on the bottom, kind of making like a C around it. It's like a semicircle around it, just to highlight. And it's gonna be just like a subtle highlight, not like too much. And then I'll put it in the middle here of my bridge, on the tip of my nose, of course, in the center of my bridge here. And then we're going to do the brow bone. The brow bone highlight going on. Got it going on. Guys, it's Super Bowl Sunday. Who do you think's going to win? I don't really like football, but I like the halftime show. It's very festive. I'm going to try to upload this tonight, so hopefully I'll upload it before the Super Bowl's over. Although I'm sure everyone's going to be watching the Super Bowl and not YouTube. But in case someone wants to watch a YouTube video, they can check out my channel. What do we think? What do we think? Let's see. Let me look from far away. fabulous. Fabulous. Why, I think it's fun. Use my rose water, Mario Badescu. That'll help with the powderiness, if you feel powdery. And go on with my Cover FX illuminating spray, setting spray. But you can use any setting spray you want. This doesn't really illuminate to me. I don't know. I don't know. So I'm gonna go in with the Smashbox Bossé. This is the All Day Matte Red Matte Lip Color. And you really don't need a liner with this. And I'm all about lipsticks that you don't need a liner with. And it's very matte. All right. What do we think? What do we think? I like it. So, this is my red glitter wing V-Day Slay Part 2. This is the second V-Day look I did. Hopefully I'll have time to upload a third one before Valentine's Day, which is in, what, 3 days? But yeah, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your Valentine's Day plans are, if you have any, or if you're going to be at home alone, like me. It's okay. You'll survive. You'll survive because I survived. I survived and you'll survive. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. You need to subscribe. Is anything on my teeth? No. Okay. You need to subscribe. There's a button down here. It's like red. You need to subscribe. So yeah. So this is my V-Day Slay. V-Day ponytail. Red lip. Glitter. Red wing. So yeah. Happy Sunday. Yeah, you guys have a good week. Bye.